All right, so this is the VANMASS magnetic car mount. Make life simple, not a lot around the box. Back has the model number. This is the CTE Z54, and thanks for your purchase. And they do have a service email. Nice. So let's peel this back and open it up. Normally I would have taken these out to my car, but don't really have an easy way to do that with the Tesla, so we're just going to do them in hand. So this one comes with one of the similar bases. You can see that you just peel this off, and this is super sticky. I mean, see that? And so with that peeled off, it's able to stick on your dash, and then you're able to easily clamp that down to where it stays. Now, also in here is the other half of this mount. That's it for that. This part just unscrews, and then you're able to take this ring, slide it onto here like so, and then you take this part, press into here like so, and then you just tighten this ring back around here. Now you can loosen this to put this whichever way you would like, and this one is really cool because if you have an iPhone with MagSafe, so if you have an iPhone, you can easily throw this on here and it is magnetic without you having to do a whole lot. Just tap and go. This would stay in your car like so. You get in your car, you throw your phone on, you're good to go. And this does extend out a decent amount, so, you know, that's just depending on your preference. This part here is for the vent clips. And so with the vent clips, you just unscrew this, do the same process here to get this on here, and then just screw this into place, and then you'd have this holding your phone instead of this. That's really all it is. There's also some magnetic plates and stuff like that that are included in here that you can use with this device, cleaning pads, etc. Other helpful things that you would use when setting this up in your car. So these seem to be completely great. I absolutely love what I am seeing here, and that's what you can expect if you're to buy this VANMASS magnetic car mount.